Welcome in a new video from Best Tech channel. In this video, I will show you some of the must-have car gadgets on Amazon in 2021, and you will find all the links for the products in the description box. Let's go! ROBOQI. ROBOQI is a unique auto-robotic wireless car charger. When the sensor is pressed, the motion control is triggered and the robotic arms are closed, providing a tight grip on your phone. The wireless charge is activated and the phone is charged. You can charge your phone with its case if it is not thicker than 4mm. ROBOQI supports fast wireless charging. It provides you with two kinds of car mount, and they can be installed in three different ways: windshield installation, driving platform installation, air outlet installation. It has a universal rotary ball with 360 degrees of freedom rotation. It can be used at any angle, which brings a flexible range of viewing angle. Simply place your phone in the mount, ensuring that your phone touches the sensor that's located below the charging disc. Here is another cool gadget for your car. The Thinkdiag OBD2 scanner supports all system diagnostic functions. It can read or clear fault codes, live data, control module information, actuation tests, and maintenance function for your car. It can work with most models after 1996 of more than 120 car brands. All software have 1 year free update. Thinkdiag makes your smart device become a professional vehicle diagnostic tool. It's compatible with Android and iOS system. Full system vehicle health report will be automatically created after diagnosis. Thinkdiag is a perfect diagnostic tool. NORSHIRE. NORSHIRE is a fast and easy operation tire inflator portable air compressor. This tire air compressor can inflate your standard tires in 30 seconds. Just connect the air pipe to the tire valve, tap the power button, and then tap the plus or minus key to preset tire pressure. After that, tap the triangular start button. It will do all the work for you. It provides you with a guarantee of user experience based on the automatic shutdown function. Preset the required pressure level and start the inflation work. The air compressor will automatically shut off at the required level. No need to worry about overinflation. NORSHIRE Smart Inflator for Tires got your back. This air pump comes with a powerful rechargeable battery, which can be used as a power bank for Android and iOS devices. There is a practical micro USB and the charging time is only 2.5 hours. Just plug it directly into cigarette lighter socket of your vehicle. ThinkEasy. ThinkEasy can test your car's batteries and provide overall analysis of battery's health and help you know its status in advance before it dies. ThinkEasy battery testers support cranking and charging system test, also alternator and starter test. It tests all 12-volt lead-acid batteries and multi-gasoline or diesel types, including car, truck, motorcycle, boat, yacht, and even golf cart. Just download Thinkdiag Plus app, connect Bluetooth to use it. ThinkEasy Battery Load Analyzer allows you to test batteries both in vehicle or out of vehicle, and even test dead batteries. Just connect the tester clips with battery, then it will turn on and ready to test and analyze battery. It's that easy. Rightline Gear Moki Doorstep. Rightline Gear Moki Doorstep gives you easy access to your car's roof to lead and strap down car top cargo bags, boxes, snowboards, bikes, and wash your vehicle's roof. It's compatible with all vehicles in both front and rear doors. Aircraft-grade aluminum construction makes the Moki Doorstep lightweight yet strong enough to support 400 pounds. And unlike any other step solution on the market, the Moki Doorstep is the only choice that has an extended platform to support both feet and a rubber bumper to protect your vehicle's finish. OTYTY Warning Triangle. OTYTY Warning Triangle is a super bright and power-saving 30-watt hand-held portable floodlight. Press the switch on bottom and turn on the rechargeable work light, high, low, red brightness, and SOS red light mode. It's also a waterproof to work fine in rainy days. With its 180-degree adjustable lamp stand, you can put it in anywhere just you like. Also, you can use it like a power bank for charging your phone and other devices in emergency. Enjoy using it in camping, hiking, fishing, barbecue, car repairing, roadside assistance, and more outdoor activities. KIMBLADE. KIMBLADE wiper blade has a rectangular shape and it is made of 100% silicone. Traditional wiper blades are shaped like inverted triangles. Over time, traditional wipers are blunt, which caused more contact to windshield that end up creating noise and scraping sounds. The tips of this blade are designed with a 4-bar link structure, which will always in contact with the glass, intensifying the load downward to tightly whip it off. Thanks to the water-repellent substance applied to the silicone blade and the additional special coating on the blade, KIMBLADE wiper has a function of adding water repellent on the glass. If the wiper accidentally gets started for 2 to 3 minutes when the glass is not wet, the water repellent coating is automatically applied. KIMBLADE 6 layers. This cover is Amazon's best-selling cover at Amazon.com. KIMBLADE 6 layers car covers are made of heavy-duty materials that is 100% waterproof. It's great for rainproof and snowproof. It also has a high reflective aluminum, which is good at sunproof and keeps the car cool in the hot day. Its professional design gives you easy access with door zipper in the left of the cover. Also, the windproof straps at front and rear fix your cover in heavy wind weather. No matter the hot sun or the cold weather, KIMBLADE car cover can handle it all. You can choose for many sizes the one that fits your car. Drop stop. Drop stop provides 100% gap coverage in front of surrounding and behind seat belt catch. Drop stop attaches to the seat belt catch via built-in slot, moves with the seat and no need to readjust or reinstall. It blocks that annoying yet ever so dangerous gap between your car or truck seat and center console. Drop stop will never fall apart and lasts a lifetime. The gap is always a dark shadow, so once you install drop stop, you won't know it's there until it stops the drop. Maxsa innovations. The escaper body's razor tracks gives you maximum tracking to get out of any tough spot. Driving hazards like snow, ice, sand and mud are no match when you place these traction mates under your vehicle's wheels. You get two, one for each front or rear wheels. Press lightly on the accelerator and you are going again. No towing, chains, winching or pushing required. The escaper body is engineered for heavy-duty off-road use with a high-grade polypropylene polymer construction and unique design that provides maximum traction in tough environments. I wish you liked this video, and if you do, hit the like button and go to watch the other videos now. Thanks for watching and wishing you a good day.